Hey everyone! Today I'm showing you Sprunki 67. And also, there are a few hidden Sprunki characters in this video. If you find them, write in the comments. Sprunki 67 is a bright blue mashup of the numbers 6 and 7, always grinning like he's stuck in a permanent inside joke. His big eyes bounce around non-stop, and the moment he opens his mouth, he launches straight into his legendary loop. 6, 7, 6, 7. He moves like a stretchy rhythm creature, with the 6 as his face and the 7 as part of his head. And every step he takes looks like a dance move he didn't mean to do. But here's the best part, he wasn't supposed to be a musician at all. He started as a background counter in rhythm games, just repeating numbers all day. Then he glitched into a corrupted audio channel, got blasted with bass and auto-tune, and instantly became obsessed with his own beat. Since then, 67 wanders the Sprunki world, sampling anything he hears. Elevator dings, keyboards, dripping water, and somehow every sound becomes another 6-7 remix. Other characters say he's basically a DJ with only 2 words in his vocabulary, but his energy is impossible not to love. If you hear a random beat forming out of nowhere, it's probably Sprunki 67 cooking up his next accidental hit. So that's Sprunki 67, the glitchy blue number creature who turned counting into music and refuses to stop singing 6-7.
Six, 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 seven.